Good morning. Alright, so yesterday we had a pretty balanced day. This is the session from yesterday, pretty balanced profile. You could see that after we established the initial range, we never broke above or below the first hour and a half of trading. So we were pretty balanced. We couldn't get inside value from Thursday. We attempted once, fell. We attempted second time and we fell. So we always stayed above value from Thursday. So last night we tested below the range, found buyers, tested above the range, found sellers, tested again below, found buyers. So we keep having this two-sided trade. We are pretty much in balance over the last 20 days. Like I said yesterday, we broke below this range, then came back into it. So now we're putting in the fourth day of balance after that breakout attempt, and now we're waiting for tonight's deadline on Iran. As we can see, pretty choppy in this area as expected, because this is where we have all this volume, all this acceptance. But the scenario is very similar to yesterday. I'm still looking at value from Thursday. If we tried it a couple times, but if we try again and internals are bearish, I'm looking for a move to retest value area low from Thursday, which is at 65.94. And then here, this whole area is gonna be supported probably. We have this low volume node, we have the single prints, we have this spike from Thursday that's holding well. If you look at yesterday's overnight session, we also found buyers in this area. So this for now is building out to be some stronger support than I thought initially, but because of the headlines, this could break pretty quickly. So I'm not committing to either side yet. And like I said yesterday, if we get below this low volume area, we have this whole distribution. We have the weekly pivot right here, the 65.45 area, which is usually a point of a turning point. And then below that we still have the single prints that haven't been cleaned up. If that's the case, if we clean them up, 64.62 is the target to the downside. On the upper side, I'm looking at the same thing as yesterday, a move towards this 66.94 to find sellers up here. That's where the 200 moving average is. Actually, it's a little below that, and it's pretty close to this high. So if we get above this high, I would expect this to fail, and then I would expect us to come back in this 66.36 area. And that's it, pretty much. Like, this market is waiting for to see what happens tonight, probably. And in the meantime, we'll probably have to look at this range and look at fading the extremes of this range back to the middle, back to the 65.35 area. So for today, the two things I'm looking at is value area sweeping through yesterday's value area, or from Thursday to value area low from Thursday. NQ also still balancing in this range. Crude made new highs for the week, and then we're trading back inside the range from yesterday, and excuse me, but the magnet for crude is in this area, the 112, 111 area. So if we fail to hold above this highs, then 111 should be the target to the downside. Otherwise, looking for this 119 area to be retested. Gold still in the middle of that range. Silver, same thing. You can see silver is here in the 73 area. And then we had durable goods, but then we have at 11 a.m. we have New York Fed inflation expectations, and then we have a 3-year note, consumer credit later on, but then the deadline tonight at 8 p.m. for Iran, which everybody's looking at, and then tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes, and the next couple of days we have some inflation numbers to watch. Alright, good luck, and remember, volatility is still in the 24s.